Good morning. Somebody need to tell all you. Because you see, in a state of recession that you all say we are in, Dr. Rowley is trying his best to save money. And of course, we're cutting down what we spend. And so what was initially planned to give towards Carnival, we cut it down, but you will still get over $200 million. And I think that's a lot of money. And I expect for the money that we get value for money. Apparently we had a whole yardstick over all you. What they asked was that last night, International Soca Monarch semi-finals. It was International Soca Mother Ass semi-finals. A shame. You see, you people need to go back. Firstly, you see the judges, line them up. Line them up, Queen's Park Savannah, and shoot all of them. Because firstly, the judges who allow these people to end up in semi-finals, all of them need shooting because they're making the NCC look bad. You go tell me a man go jump up on a stage and sing F she in she CC? F she in she CC, F she in she CC. Poor David look across at me and say, Dad, what he saying? I didn't have much time to think, so I tell the child, I say, put your fish in she ceramic container. Because I didn't know what to tell that little child sitting next to me watching this show. Now, let me tell you something. All you need, oh God, all you really need to go back to the forefathers, eh? Go back to the people who have the talent. Go back to your forefathers, because people like Sparrow who used to sing Saltfish, nothing sweeter than saltfish. You could sing that for a baby and all to it and song in bad. And Gina and Dinah, Rosita and Clementina. Those are the kind of songs had a little thing in it. It had thing in it, you know. You had to use your brain to figure it out. But it was sweet and clean and decent enough to sing for the Queen. You could see yourself whining and gyrating on a stage singing F she and she CC with my Prime Minister and his wife sitting in the front there. I will shame to watch Mrs. Rowley and she face and sing F she and she CC. What wrong with all you? Who in charge of raising the standards here? It's the same thing with Chutney Soca Monarch. It is a blasted, stupid Indian song they're singing about drinking and who and her wife and who wife honing who. What is all the problem? Do we need to do remedial reading with all the Calypsonians and Chutney artists? Do I have to call Minister Garcia and make arrangements to put all you back in school for a year? So all you could find lyrics deep in all your guts to bring out? Come the man. Come the man. All you really serious? All you want me to put this outside there for the Germans and all the foreigners who coming to Trinidad to enjoy Carnival to F we in WCC? Come the man. We can do better than that. And if I was the Prime Minister, I would have made sure and sue the Carnival Committee because they had to give me back the money. All they would have had to bring back that money because all they're producing shit. No wonder the major soca artists pull out because they realized it was an embarrassment. Fix it. Fix it. We can't done fix this Carnival already. This one done. But fix next year. Otherwise, in my case, no money for all you.